Hello, welcome to Panda's World. Today we are learning 你好. 你好 is how you say hello in Chinese. 你 means you. 好 means good. 你好 literally means you good. So 你好,你好,你好,你好. And if someone says 你好 to you, you should reply with 你好 too. For example, if I say 你好 to you, and you should say 你好. Very good. Now if we put 吗 after 你好, it becomes 你好吗. 你好吗 means how are you? 你 means you, 好 means good. 吗 is a question particle. When you put at the end of a sentence, it changes sentence from statement into question. So 你好吗 literally means you good? 你好吗? 你好吗? And the answer to 你好吗 is typically 我很好. 我 means I, 很 means very, 好 means good. 我很好 means I'm very good. So 你好吗? 我很好. 你好吗? 我很好. Now let's go over what we have learned today. 你好,你好,你好,你好吗? 我很好. So that's all for today. If you want to learn more, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.